that face.
I mean, you okay?
Who you punch me in the face? I thought your face was down. Hey, it's nothing.
And you guys just hit him right in the face too.
Run!
Smack him in the car!
I got him. Yeah, go get him. I got him. Forget the camera.
No, I'm actually taking video though. This is going on YouTube. This is Ivan's birthday present right here. Can I get a kick? I want a kick. Hey, no rape, yo!
Go and yell at him. Rape!
Go on top, BJ, go on top! Let's get some Whizzle juice.
Why are you going to me? What the hell? Where'd that come from?
Oh, shoot. Dang, it's so distant. I know. Ivan broke my chair at my party.
Oh, yeah.
He broke my chair.
That was a team effort. Oh, what, the dog? What a piece of meat.
We're getting scared now. We're really
Corbin got it. Hey, I don't think you can...
I can do this for 10 minutes, thank God.
Hey, did it hit? Corbin! Corbin, I got you! Corbin! I got your shoes! See, that was a weird ass shit right there. Ew! That was like Corbin. Your shoes. Yo, that was a jump.
And that's the end of it.